Hi, this is Matthew Bissett. I'm a lawyer here at the Whitley Law Firm, and I want to talk to everybody very briefly about an important issue that we've been running into a lot with regards to homeowners insurance and bad faith insurance practices by your insurance company, specifically as it relates to hurricane damage to your home, and basically hurricane insurance. Hurricane season in North Carolina is from June 1st to November 30th. So right now, at the beginning of August, we are in the heart of hurricane season. Now, fortunately, we have not had anything yet like Florence or Michael, and hopefully we don't have anything like that. But I want everyone out there to be prepared and ready if and when that next hurricane does come to North Carolina. And I want you to be ready with regards to your homeowner's insurance so that you are covered by any damage that might happen to your home. In your insurance policy, there is a section called Perils Insured Against. And many years ago, that homeowner's insurance policy section included everything that you really think could happen to your home, whether it was fire or flood, rain or wind-driven rain, or windstorm and hail. Wind-driven rain is when wind causes an opening in your home, like in your shingles, and the rain enters in through that opening and causes damage to your walls and your floors and your subflooring. Several years ago, the insurance industry got together and decided to make you purchase separate policies to cover you for very specific things that would no longer be covered by your main homeowner's policy. And the two main causes of damage they did that with were flood and wind-driven rain. Wind-driven rain is often called, a policy that covers wind-driven rain is often called a windstorm or hail policy. So the insurance company got together and decided to make you start purchasing separate policies for flood and wind-driven rain. And what people found out after Florence and Michael in large numbers, and we went through this with a lot of them together, was that they weren't covered for flood or wind-driven rain because their agent didn't tell them they needed separate coverage, and a lot of people just didn't think to look for it because they thought that they were covered with their normal homeowner's policy. So unfortunately, a lot of people found out that when Florence and Michael caused that damage, they weren't covered. So it's very important that you look at your policy and you understand exactly what you're covered for under that policy. Are you covered for flood? Are you covered for wind and wind-driven rain? Because those are the two most common causes of damage as we kind of head more and more into hurricane season that we hear about. So talk with your agent, ask them what you're covered for, look at your policy, and ask them specifically if you are covered for flood and wind-driven rain. Now, another tactic that we saw from insurance companies is that even if someone was covered for flood or wind-driven rain, the companies were wrongfully denying those claims. So this is how it normally would happen, is someone would be covered for flood insurance and flood damage because they had that insurance, but they didn't have wind or wind-driven rain. So when flood damage occurred, the insurance company claimed that it was caused by wind or wind-driven rain. Or the damage was wind and wind-driven rain, and that person didn't have a flood policy. And so the insurance company said, this was not wind damage or wind-driven rain damage, this was flood damage, and therefore you're not covered. So not only is it important to make sure that you have those types of insurance in place during hurricane season, it's also very important to understand why the insurance company is denying your claim. And if that you feel that they're wrongfully denying it, please give us a call at the Whitley Law Firm. It is absolutely free to talk to us. We offer a free consultation to see if we can help you. We will talk with you. We will give you advice on what to do. And again, it is absolutely free to talk to us and see if there could be bad faith insurance at play with your insurer. The other thing that insurance companies are doing is underpaying claims. So it's not just when they're denying it, it's also when they're not giving you the fair value under your policy. So if you think that's at play, give us a call as well. It's absolutely free. And folks, hopefully we don't have anything again like Florence or Michael, but I want everyone to be ready. If that does happen, give us a call anytime. Again, my name is Matthew Bissett, and everyone here at the Whitley Law Firm wishes you a good rest of the summer.